If you want a newer seasonal promotions, fresh marketing campaigns, brand engagement, clearing stock, or maybe customer retentions, a pop-up will be a great option to grab attention and engagement for your website. And don't worry, it's beginner friendly, easy, and quick. We'll start by picking a design that screams Happy New Year. Then we'll guide you through setting up the images, text, and call to action button. So let's dive into the Shopify backend so that we can show you how you can set up the pop-up. So first thing first, we can see the Shopify backend. Click on sales channel, then click on online stores. This will give us the option to check the themes. So when we are on the theme page, we'll definitely select the theme that will be published for these occasions. So click on customization. So here is the theme, and in this theme, firstly I am searching out that if the pop-up template is already added on the theme or not. So while I checked, I found that the template is not added. So I'm searching the template to add it on the page, and we are doing it for the home page right now. As we found that it's not here, we can also go and select show more to find that. Otherwise, we are searching it and the template name is pop-up. So search it pop, and here is the pop-up template. Let's add it to the home page. As we added the pop-up template, you will see the manual options, and those are like text and some other options here to add on the pop-up, but we'll customize it as we mentioned in the video earlier, that will customize it based on the Happy New Year. So let's add the thing, like add the options we need to add on this. So moving forward, I have to click on add on the plus icon especially. So clicking on it, and I can see the other options. So from here, basically in this template, I'm planning to add one text option, one option for countdown, as this will be a marketing campaign, and there will be a coupon code for add to cart option. So I'll add a countdown for the marketing time, and also one coupon code for discounts. So let's select the options first on this pop-up template, then we will add the text and images. So currently we added most of the options we need, and now we need to implement it and add the customization option. So here if I go to the text option, you can see on the left up corner there is an option for heading and also the font sizes. So based on our newer template, we'll implement it and customize the text here. So the text is ready. You can see already it's on the module, and the text I shared here is New Year savings. So now we need to do upload the image. I have prepared the image from Photoshop and Canva, and now I have to upload the image here, and it will be centralized or maybe in the right side, left side. That is a customization option we'll show you after uploading the image. So here you can see the image positioning. Right now I think it's better to go with trend and add the image on the left side. So I'm doing it. So just drag and drop, or you can select from the computer. So I'm dragging off the image here. The image is loading it. It will be shown as the preview, and here you can see, here you go, the image is uploaded already. Now we have to check once it's okay or not, and I think it's better to go. So for that, let's click on the subheading options and customize the text here simply. So I have prepared the text. Let me just paste it here. Okay, so subheading is added, and I think it's now very relevant to the pop-up, and it will catch the attention. That's the main goal from here. So now let's go to the next option. For this pop-up, we plan the call of action will be the discount code. And if the customer and consumers collect the code and add to the cart, that will be our main goal. So that's why we are deleting the email option for this one. But if you want, you can keep it as it is customizable and very user friendly. So here we can see the end date, also the end time, which is optional, but sometimes you can put. I'll do both because I have to show you that. And if you have any end text, that can also you add here. Also, there are some other customization option you can check, and once you apply it, it will currently reflect on the design and you can see definitely what is happening. And based on your taste of design and the formula you have to success, you can apply it according to that. So now countdown part is updated and I think that's very good because the countdown timer is showing very and I think it's perfectly aligned here. And next go to the discount code. So as we'll go to the discount code, we'll add a discount coupon code and also mention that you have to enable this code from the Shopify backend so that when customer will purchase, they can definitely get the discount. So on this code, I'm just using the random ecom clips and word, but you can definitely do whatever you would like. So I'm setting up that code, and also this is the call of action and ends the design of our new pop-up. So here you can see the live demo, how it will be shown on the page. And if you want to publish it, you can also click on the publish button and publish it. So that's in the wrap up of how to create a trendy pop-up for engagement and customer retentions. It will definitely boost your sales and also it will help your customer to attend your website regularly and for a long time. So if you need this type of quick tips and helps, you can also mention us at info@ecomclips.com. We are a full service e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. And for Shopify development, we have a bunch of cool stuff and resources that can definitely develop revamping or starting from the scratch for your new website. That's all from today. See you in the next video. Peace.